Good afternoon, class. Thank you for showing up today, despite the weather. I am actually feeling a little under the weather, and I'll be absent 4th, 5th, and 6th period, but I've left this video so that the instructions for today of what is expected from you are clear, coming from me. I'm going to want you to see a couple of videos today on how batteries work, what the chemical reactions are that are taking place inside a battery as soon as you turn on the circuit, as soon as you turn on a switch, as soon as there is contact, as we spoke about it yesterday. Yesterday we tore apart a flashlight and we examined the parts and we figured out what makes what work, okay? But today I'm interested in you understanding the interior, what's going on inside of the battery, okay? So a couple of videos are going to be played for you. I'm going to leave instructions via this video for the sub to play them for you a couple of times if needed. These are the videos, okay? This one is the first one, okay, which is already ready for you here. The next one is this one, which is also ready for you to go. And your instructions are, you are going to complete a whisk form. Everybody knows what a whisk form is. They are going to be left here for you. And you're going to complete a whisk form, not one per video, but one whisk form from the information you gathered on both videos, okay? It's up to you if you want to make notes on a separate sheet of paper and then transfer them to the whisk. This whisk should summarize both videos, okay? You don't have to do one per video. And then when you're done with this summary, what I want you to do, the sub should understand or should know that we have a daily project that we post outside in the hallway, and everybody in the class knows exactly what I'm talking about. Once you're done with your whisk, okay, I want you to summarize the summary, which means that everyone is going to get a little template, okay? I've printed out a smartphone template for you to use. And what I want you to do with this little template, I want you to summarize the summary, okay? There is a rule on Twitter that in order for you to post something on Twitter, it has to be less than 140 characters or 140 characters or less for you to be able to post. And I've cut these out for you so that whenever you're done with your whisk, you can go ahead and summarize what the two videos were about here on this template. 140 characters or less. What is a character? A character is a letter, a character is a symbol, a character is a space. Anything that that takes up space on the screen, whether it be a little period, an exclamation point, just a symbol or a letter, that's a character. Okay, so 140 characters or less. I'm going to want that you count the characters, put the number of characters at the bottom, and put post, meaning I counted them, and you're going to go ahead and write the word post, P-O-S-T, on the bottom so that at a glance I'm able to see how many characters you used. Once the class is done with these little templates, you will take the big giant Post-its that we use to put our projects outside, and you will take some double-sided tape that I've left here for you, and everyone is just to get a little piece of tape and post it on there. Those of you that help me out during the classes, make sure that each poster outside or each giant Post-it is labeled second, third, actually 4th, 5th, and 6th. I will be here for 2nd and 3rd period. I hope these instructions are clear. Once again, these are the videos that you will see. They're a few minutes long. Pay attention. The sub will play them for you a couple of times if need be. I hope these instructions are clear. I'm going to miss you, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for coming and showing up to class today.